With Booker's editor feature, you can actually split lines of transactions that already exist in QuickBooks. Let's take this example of the first two lines here. If we look at this transaction in QuickBooks, we can see that it's an insurance bill for $30,000. It doesn't look like it's been categorized properly, or at least not given enough detail. Now, let's say you want to split these transaction lines and allocate them as some part of allocation workflow for your month-end close. You can simply insert new rows into the sheet. And you'll watch as I start adding new data. It's important that I have unique line numbers, and if I'm editing the line amount, that the transaction balances after editing. I'm going to add class and a description, and you can change any of this information. The green color coding tells you that it's being edited. Once I'm good, I'll click Edit Data and push these changes into QuickBooks. Now we can simply refresh the transaction in QuickBooks, and we can see all of those changes, including the line splits, now reflected in QuickBooks. It's that easy using Booker.